Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 4.2, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you first boot it up, you'll be presented with the welcoming screen where you get to set up your device. And the first thing you can do is choose your language. So right here it looks like it's set to Polish, so let's change that to English and a region, and let's go. And next thing you will see is the SIM connection. Now you can put in your SIM card right now, or just completely skip this and put it in later, and it will literally change nothing. Then you have connection to Wi-Fi. This again is optional. You can connect to some kind of Wi-Fi, or you can skip that. The only difference will be if you skip it, or well, if you connect, you will be able to log into your Google and then backup, or well, not backup, but restore your device from the cloud. I'm just gonna skip this to preserve on time. It will start looking for updates and stuff like that, so it will take a little bit longer for no reason. Then you have Google Terms of Service. You can now, or well, services, not really Terms of Service. I have some localization and some install apps, updates, stuff like that. You can read each one, what it does exactly, and then disable or enable it depending on how you want it. I'm just gonna accept this. Next thing you'll see is the unlocking. You can set up your fingerprint and PIN pattern or password. So I'm gonna do that. Now by default it's set to PIN, but you can also change it. So it's up on here. And you have option also between the password and pattern. I'm gonna choose pattern. Draw the pattern, and tap on next and redraw the same pattern once more. And same process goes for PIN or password. Just put in the PIN or password and then repeat it a second time the exactly same way. And then you can start scanning your finger on the back sensor. So it's right here. This little circle, that's the sensor. So you just want to start scanning your finger on it. Press it basically from every angle so it gets a good read of your entire finger. There we go. And from here, once you finish, you can add another finger if you wish, or you can add the same one just so to get a better readability, accuracy. But I'm just going to stick with this one and tap on next. You'll have also an option to add face unlock, which will use the camera to look at your, basically when you set it up, it just tells you to move your face around. So it gets basically every angle of it, and then whenever you press the power button, it will launch the camera in a way and just try to recognize what it pulled before to what it's looking at right now. And if it matches, then it unlocks the device automatically, so you don't actually have to use a fingerprint or the pattern. But I'm gonna skip that, so do that later. And we're basically done. There we go. So now the process is finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.